Hi, I'm Dave Evans, Engineering Director for Snowy 2.0. My role is to work with our teams to plan and deliver the engineering solutions and innovations behind this huge pumped hydro renewable energy project. This month we're providing an update on tunnelling and construction progress across multiple sites, with a focus on the challenging conditions being experienced by TBM Florence, which is excavating the headrace tunnel between Tantangara and the new power station. Let's take a look at what's been happening. Tunnel boring machine Florence has been navigating very soft ground here at Tantangara, and a surface depression that recently emerged above the TBM has temporarily delayed progress. The depression is approximately 9 metres deep and continues to be monitored. It is important to note that the integrity of the excavated tunnel, which is supported by concrete lining and steel ribs, has not been compromised, and nor has the capacity of the tunnel boring machine. However, the TBM has been paused until about 10 to 15 metres of weak material in front of it is stabilised, so the machine can proceed safely and then reach hard rock when we expect normal tunnelling to resume. Our contractor, Future Generation, is drilling probe holes to understand the ground conditions immediately ahead of the TBM. While grout is being injected to improve weak zones and limit any water flow, a slurry plant is being installed that will mean TBM Florence can switch from open excavation to closed pressurised mode. This will deliver stable excavation and efficient progress through softer ground, before the TBM switches back to open mode in harder rock. Stage 2 of the stabilisation works in front of and above the machine will involve ground improvement from the surface. Once the area is grouted, the depression will be backfilled and revegetated. Snowy Hydro and Future Generation are committed to carefully and safely managing this tunnelling challenge in a sensitive environment. Over at Lobbs Hole, we're making good progress with tunnelling. TBM Lady Eileen Hudson has finished the 2.7 kilometre main access tunnel. We're now full steam ahead with constructing multiple drill and blast cross tunnels and passages, which are supported with rock bolts and lined with shotcrete. The cross tunnels provide access to a number of areas at the underground power station, while the cross passages link the main access tunnel with the emergency cable and ventilation tunnel. TBM Kirsten has almost completed the ECVT tunnelling 2.8 kilometres to the location of the power station. This is a great milestone for the project, as we now have access to the cavern excavation site from both ends. There's plenty of activity at the Talbingo Adit, where the Lady Eileen TBM is being reassembled so she can move on to her next job, excavating the 6 kilometre tail race tunnel. New components, including shields and the main drive, are being installed in the TBM cradle, while the 11 metre diameter cutter head is ready for welding. The Talbingo intake excavation continues to make excellent progress. We're halfway down at a depth of 50 metres. At Marika, we're building a very deep and wide surge shaft. It will provide pressure relief when the power station starts up and absorb the momentum of water in the headrace tunnel when the station shuts down. We've already excavated more than 20 metres of this shaft, which will ultimately be one of the largest diameter operational shafts in the world. Thanks for watching our February video. Stay tuned for next month's project update. You can also follow Snowy Hydro on our social media channels, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.